Voices of Grace is a presentation of Grace Hill Settlement House with Rare Gem Productions, proudly presenting, promoting, and producing positive programs. Learn more at oneraregem.com. That's ONERAREGEM.com.
We want to share with our listeners and with St. Louis the inspirational and true stories of people who have found their way by the grace of God, by the grace of seeking help, having a hand to hold. We want people to know that nobody gets where they are without somebody walking with them. And that's who we are.
These are the Voices of Grace. We'll be right back. I'm Jade Harrell, CEO of Grace Hill, Roderick Jones.
What's so phenomenal about Grace, and it's part of our namesake, is it really begs a question of, do we really need to qualify whether somebody deserves something? And so we thought about Voices of Grace from the standpoint of promoting the notion to the rest of society that each and every person has value, and oftentimes our salvation and our greatest gifts are in the potential of people. And so when we can further that without having to qualify who people are, then we get the best result out of this life.
Did you know Uncle Sam may want to give you more than $6,000? I'm Russ Signorino with the Gateway EITC. Find out if you qualify for free tax prep and the location nearest you. Call us at 314-539-4062. Why pay to get your taxes done?
Rare Gem Productions proudly presenting the positive. Hi, this is Jade Harrell. You remember what it was like to dream? Yeah, what really compelled your heart? Imagine if you knew early on that it was possible for you to live your dream. Kwame Foundation presents the Live Your Dream Concert. Introducing performances by Brianna Elise and Trio. Thursday, March 20th from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. at the lovely Sheldon Concert Hall, 3648 Washington Boulevard. Sponsored by Worldwide Technologies, the St. Louis American, and Renaissance Financial. I am excited to host and be a part of this very special event. Get your tickets at eventbrite.com. Rare Gem Productions proudly presenting the positive.
Hi, my name is Karen Douglas. I'm the manager of the Early Head Start program at Grace Hill Settlement House.
Hi, my name is Ebony Miller. I have 3 boys, Keyshawn, 12, Deontay, 2, Andre, 1. Early Head Start through Grace Hill has been empowerment for me. Through Grace Hill, they've taught me how to do my credit history, and that's what pressed the pursuit on opening my own business. So Grace Hill is lovely. That's that empowerment that I needed, because I was down. I was in that fog. I didn't want to do nothing but just lay there.
These are the Voices of Grace. All right, Miss Ebony, I wanted to hear from you. You are our voice of grace. Tell me about yourself. Tell me more about you.
I'm 35, 3 kids, 3 boys. Love it. Finished school, went off and got into the medical field. Fell off a little bit, had to go to the shelter. Now I'm just really starting to put everything back together.
Sure. Tell me about your pursuit in the health industry.
Right now, I'm trying to get back in the field, but I'm also trying to go to school for business. I want to start my own business. Show us black women you can, after falling, you can get on top and do good.
That's right. That's part of your dream. Well, how do you envision it all looking like on your best diva day?
Oh, on my best diva day?
Right. What would it look, feel, and sound like?
I lay in the bed at night after I put my kids to sleep, and I just daydream about having them keys, opening my own doors to my own boutique or whatever I end up deciding, and just being at peace, making sure my boys know that regardless what mama done went through, she made it back on top, and she's standing strong.
Share with me your story of Grace.
Grace, I love them. I ended up coming in contact with them through one of the shelters I was in. One of the ladies came in. I was just sitting. I was pregnant at the time with my last son. And she came in. She's like, well, we just want to sign you women up to show that you can do this, and we'll help you do this. And I'm like, okay, I ain't doing nothing else. And got into it. 2 months later, the first lady I had, Anna, she helped, and she was showing me things to do for us to help my son, because my 2-year-old right now, at the time, he was having a little speech problem. Mm-hmm. And I just kept on saying, I don't think he's getting it. What can I do? So she helped me on ways of trying to get him to open up. He ended up having surgery.
Really?
He had his adenoids out. After the surgery, working with Miss Valerie, she didn't help me to bring it more in depth. to the point where he'll sit down, he'll act like he reading a book to you. He probably put some extra words in there, but he'll turn the pages. He let you know he's nonstop. And I was messing with it the other day. I'm like, look, you got him to talk a little too much now.
Hold on now, right. Oh, but what a wonderful testimony that he came from not saying much at all and not being really sure if he could to now it's just overflowing.
Nonstop.
Oh, man, that is truly a story of grace. Tell me about your fall.
I got pregnant with my last son, got a little extra sick with it. I ended up getting diabetes, high blood pressure, and just a whole bunch of extra illness with it. So I had to put in my 2 weeks at my job, and
you were too sick to go to work.
Ended up losing my apartment. Then I moved in with family, and then they got the, no, you can't do this. And, I'm just like, for real, I'm sick. Please.
Right.
So it got to the point where I couldn't take it no more. I went to a shelter and went from one shelter, and then they moved me to a pregnancy shelter on the south side.
Sure.
And with them in Grace Hill, hey, I'm smiling now. At first I was crying, I'm smiling now.
Yeah. So the difference from yesterday to today primarily is what?
Grace Hill. That extra push, it's wonderful. They push me more than my family does. And I love it because when I get down, I call Miss Valerie. She be like, we're not going for it. No.
Right.
And I be like, but Miss Valerie. She be like, look, we're going to do this and you look at this. And I be like, okay. So then later on, I call and be like, thanks
afterward. So what I hear you say is that you welcomed the push. That push was them walking with you.
Yeah.
And that made the difference.
A whole lot. Because it got to the point where I had kind of gave up. It was just like, ain't nobody hearing me. The Lord ain't hearing me. He put me on voicemail. I'm tired.
Right.
So with that extra push, yes, it did. It done a lot.
So how is your outlook today?
Much better. When I do get to the point where I feel like it's one of them bad days, I think about how I started and where I'm at now.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, oh, I love Grace Hill. They just so good. So it does. It really makes my whole outlook different to the point where when something hit me, I just be like, oh, okay, I got to get that bump later. Let me finish doing this when I go back.
It's about your business.
Yes.
All right. So Grace Hill came to the shelter, and that's how you were first introduced to them. So for any other sister that's out there listening, what would you say to her for that encouragement?
If you look, it's there. At the time, I wasn't looking when I should have been. And Grace Hill been around me my whole life, but I was walking in that fog and they were standing on the sideline and I wasn't looking at that door, looking at that opportunity to pursue for my kids. It's not really for me. My kids have really developed to the point where you would think my kids are in school, especially that 2-year-old. You would think he's in school and then I have a 1-year-old, he just turned 1, and he be telling him, Andre, look, in color, red. And Grace Hill they help the parents to develop your kids so that they are ready for a Head Start.
That's
and
right.
it's wonderful.
So like it's a Head Start for Head Start, which is a Head Start
Early,
for it all.
Yes, the early Head Start. You start at home because it starts from home.
It does.
So when they came in and they come to the shelter or they came to the house, we done activities. The ball, trying to get my son to push the string through the ball, through the hole. It was tough, but he was just looking at Miss Valerie like, I can't do that. That ain't happening. But now he'll stream up 5 or 6 of them did say, Miss Valerie.
Right. So what happened with Andre is similar to what happened with you. They helped clear the fog and help you see that you could.
Yes.
I love that.
And I love Grace Hill. Everybody be like, why you do that, Grace Hill?
That's right. And that's why we're here to tell it. You are truly a voice of grace.
Thank you.
All right. Well, then let me turn to you, Miss Douglas. When you hear Ebony's story, what is the first thing that comes to mind?
I'm very happy because that means that the program is working. Our Early Head Start program is home-based, so it's different than the center-based, and it allows for relationships to develop. And the relationship is really what really makes the difference. So I'm very happy to hear Ebony's excitement, her continued ambition to do better, and to know that we've had a part in that really makes me happy.
It does. Tell me about your role there at Grace Hill.
Well, I guess I'm the slave master, I'm the person who, and I was told to say this, I have 2 dynamic family educators. Not joking, I really do. And it's my job, as I see it, to make sure they are educated about what our outcomes are supposed to be, what the best practices are, and most of all, to make sure that they have the tools and the resources to do that job. And also to make sure that they can take advantage of any professional development opportunity that'll help aid them, because their job is not an easy job.
It's not an easy job, and as we could hear with Ebony, how critical it is and pivotal in a person's life. What is Early Head Start?
Early Head Start is a federally funded, community-based program for pregnant women and families with children ages 0 to 3.
Little young ones. Why does it matter, though, with children being so young?
Well, I'm glad you asked that, because I'm just really getting into it. With the advances in technology and neuroscience, we now understand a whole lot more about the brain from 0 to 3. It doubles in size by 1 year, and then by the time they're 3, it's already at 80% of their capacity. Now, what neuroscience has really shown us is that what we've already known has kind of confirmed it, that long periods of neglect, maltreatment, and abuse have an impact on the brain and child's capacity to learn. It really sets that learning between 0 and 3, really sets the course for future learning and memory.
It certainly does. We've got a wonderful example of that success. What are the results of your Early Head Start impact and after a child progresses through the program that you have?
The parents are much more aware of the expectations for child development and what it takes for school readiness. Increased confidence in parenting, I think, is a big one. And I would say improved economic self-sufficiency.
All of those things matter. And you're speaking beyond just what goes on in an exercise or two with the child. Grace Hill addresses the full family, the full scope, the full impact of a family's life. Why do you do what you do?
Well, my background, I'm actually a mental health person. I'm a marriage and family therapist. So for all of my career, I have been trying to find a way to intervene in a way that makes a difference. Working with Early Head Start really helps you because, we intervene later most of the time, which is still helpful, but not as helpful as it can be when you start early. I'm a proponent of resilience, and so if we can teach the parents to enhance these protective factors in their children and also increase their own resiliency, then we have a better chance of strengthening the communities long term.
Early Head Start contributes to assuring that every child is given the opportunity to reach their full potential. Grace Hill Settlement House is a nonprofit located in St. Louis that works on grassroots levels to develop and enhance the lives of their neighbors. Next week, we'll take a look into the special type of learning going on with the children served by Grace Hill Head Start.
These are the Voices of Grace, neighbors helping neighbors since 1903. Visit gracehill.org to learn of the multitude of resources and services that Grace Hill Settlement House offers, which includes early childhood, youth and family supports, aging and special needs, community and economic development. If you have more questions about the program, need help, or want to connect with the resources over the phone, please call the message box at 314-333-8369, 314-333-8369, or send an email to info@oneraregem.com. That's info@oneraregem.com. Hear, feel, come to know, and join in the Voices of Grace.
Grace is able to sustain in anything you can dream of and anything that comes your way.
Voices of Grace is another positive production of Rare Gem Productions.
Did you make $52,000 or less last year? If so, you could be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit. Hi, I'm Russ Signorino with Gateway EITC. fast, friendly, and free tax preparation services are available near you. To find out if you qualify for free tax prep, call 314-539-4062. Again, that's 314-539-4062. Why pay to get your taxes done when you can get them done for free? It's your money. You earned it. Call us now to learn more.
Rare Gem Productions proudly presenting The Positive. Hi, this is Jay Terrell. You remember what it was like to dream? Yeah, what really compelled your heart. Imagine if you knew early on that it was possible for you to live your dream. Kwame Foundation presents the Live Your Dream Concert. Introducing performances by Brianna Elise and Trio. Thursday, March 20th from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. at the lovely Sheldon Concert Hall, 3648 Washington Boulevard. Sponsored by Worldwide Technologies, the St. Louis American, and Renaissance Financial. I am excited to host and be a part of this very special event. Get your tickets at eventbrite.com. Rare Gem Productions proudly presenting The Positive.